Jamaican and Nancy Man speaking, and I'm representing for Davidan HD. So remember to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
You know, we can wear slippers and see so much red dirt over this red place. Job on.
What not deal with?
You know, your way to come up in your red dirt lane.
Well, I still saying I go and play. I want the game from my phone. I go on easy, you know.
Go on easy. So you look so crush up and mash up. How are?
No, I go on for a win.
You don't cook nothing?
Cook. I'm thinking when I can't see from cook, you know.
I mean, I think we are. For me, ATM machine dead.
ATM machine dead. Now go on for a win. Look out.
Jessica man left me now no money.
A lie. I used to go on to Bossy.
Jessica, come on, say something. Because you must can't. She bought me some food. Come tell us my ATM machine dead now. When he was alive, me dad do the things then.
You know, just this morning, my man left me some of that money.
You go for Chocho?
No, you don't go so.
So you say like, oh, you know, man, and you say, you can go on for me now.
So, me and a friend married. I want to tell you something, man, where they are selling to Chelsea for.
Jack want to in front of me and look you. You can manage crumbers.
What do you mean by that, man? Oh, God, man, no bother with that, man.
Poor thing.
Right now, go on right now. Look out to come here one time and just go play me too much now because lick you in your face and some style, I know.
You lick down guests for the people in motel property?
Man come on purpose my brain when I time and just lick him down, man.
No wonder you get fire. You too dark, man.
I'm getting the hotel work right now. I'm there just doing something on the block as well and go on.
I make you suffer so?
No, when you start suffer
Start saying that, Chelsea,
you know,
bad man
to go on.
A long time and I suffer.
Yeah, a long time, but you know, you don't really suffer like that right now.
Just this.
You just look tear, well, you look tear up though.
You know, I go, now go on to look at
anyway, we never come about that. We just say we are going to check you still and did a work, so you put on one pot pan fire and I cook 2 dumplings or something. But me I want link on the road still, although my ATM machine dead. I want one link on the street, so if nothing come up, then I left you out.
I like it's one of that, man. That's
you can give one link and we do a one chop. No, I'm
that's one bad.
I agree.
So now the guy for now. Just remember me, like another man, just remember me, yes sir?
Me have man.
I must in our thoughts.
In our thoughts and in our heart.
Come on.
Hey!
What happened?
You know, say boy bingo, man. Get through again.
I think excited news are coming.
So exciting news.
Me think you come to tell me to turn over your life.
One more goon panelist, trick him with the fake bricks. What do you mean turn over life?
You tell man you talk so low like you don't business.
Business for what?
I feel like a time for your talk now. You've been doing this for 5 years now. I feel like a time for just put it on. Just put it on. That's not right.
What is not right? What am I doing that is not right?
You asking me people with fake money, people with girl picking you, use them.
The girl picking them I use me, cause when they think me broke, they don't even want to give me none. So them I use me. Them I use me cause me not broke, and me I use them to get a broke. Me not see no difference.
Listen to what me I said, Abby. It is wrong. God has seen you know. God has seen you.
Me I say God too. Me I say God and me feel nice too. Them not no remorse, you know. Let me tell you this. You think I scam more and scam woman? You think I trick more and trick them with fake money? No, me just want to look a love up. And them want to look a bricks. Me give them my money and night they not know say fake. If them go spend in a shop and police hold on upon them, God go with them, cause me not go.
Listen to me, me and your friend. Me and your friend long time. And me I tell you this now. Me think it's time for you to turn over your life. Go to church. Better your life. Probably find somebody who love you. If you continue with them a fake money, you're not going to find nobody who love you, you know.
The girl didn't love me. What are them?
They don't love you at the fake money, they love and you trick them. So now you take Popo, come for you.
Come for who?
Popo don't start look for you.
Come for who?
They might go start look for you. Who for tell you they don't have you done at the station on the board where they have for the most wanted people them?
Yeah, me I'm most wanted. I most girl want me. So me have to be most wanted. Have to be.
So sometimes I feel like when I talk to you and understand what I say.
No, hold on now. Alright. Maybe a long time you know me. You say me I do it for 5 years. 5 years ago, before me had no bricks. A girl did want me.
Because you have no money, you go look at 9 to 5 work.
Which 9 to 5?
Go work somewhere.
9 to 5 can't maintain my lifestyle. First thing, my lunch at 3,000. And when they get a link me for lunch, for them lunch at 5,000. Because they want seafood boil with blend up juice and everything.
That's a question. When your parents and pick up their money and send you to school and you do so much subject. Right, how much did me have your subject them enough?
Why?
You can't get a job at front desk, you can't get to me not done.
How I thought that? Me have fake money. What front desk can do?
You get a job and have money, woman no, want to then.
No, woman no want a man who hard working. Woman no want a 9 to 5 man. Woman want a man where a choppy line. I'm afraid for scam.
You can't say me they want you know. You don't want your David. Top use the people them girl pick me. Top use the fake money because when they in there, you go and do it to the wrong person, you go and get knocked. You go and get what they don't get.
You feel so?
Me not feel so, me know so.
Yo, a different set that. Come on, come buy one juice.
No, I just in a fake money.
I'll give money. I'll just eat serious.
You must have realized something.
What is that?
You like come at the shop, you find this envelope.
Hey,
So you never really did want to buy me no juice.
Yeah, tell me say I don't want no juice. You have to tell me.
But that you know say, you feel like it's time for you to take into consideration, you know. Say, if you dash with your money for sure.
Ma, you come back up, ma, you come and walk you out, brother, so you don't chat about money. What make you want me dash on my money? What make you want me dash on my millions? My billions?
This what happened. You see if one of the woman them, if you go to cup in their hand and go report at the station, you got prison.
Prison for what?
And you're not got normal prison, you got federal prison. Yes, you're going to jail. And you ain't coming back. You're not coming back. So my advice to you is to throw away the money.
Hey, wait, no.
Dash away the money.
Sheila, what do you mean so you got federal prison?
Oh,
so how you know that? You got prison, you at the crime you know about prison?
no, but me know so that I go. Me watch movie and me see it on the TV.
Who wants to know if I shop here?
You see shop before me shall see this a shop I never open yet. I see shop now.
Window alone.
Look in there. Sir!
Nobody know in there.
Go check around that, sir.
You just tell me though. Me know say a whole heap of money, you know. Me know say it's whole heap of money and nobody would like to dash it that the amount of money there. But in money not right.
So
The money not ready.
look how much money in this scale. Look how much $100
Yes. Me know say a whole heap of $100 US and a whole heap of money. But just throw away the money, you don't need it. You don't need it. The money is a legal money. You need to better your life. So leave the money here.
Alright, tell her.
So if I'm not on there like a couple people who own the bar.
Tell her, no. Alright, tell her, me not dash some money. I go hide money under the house bottom there. You hide money under there. Cause to nobody
You
know.
just tell yourself you dash the money, you tell me I go hide the money.
Listen to me and son of my youth. Me not dash some money so cause me don't know which day they get me might want to up on a top girl them again and me have to use that for them. But me don't want to go no jail.
Go look at work and use
Me not look no work.
money.
Me not look no work. And this is my work. I work.
You just know sometimes anytime you get the F word.
Me not getting no F word. I am
Don't
giving the
run
F
come
word.
to me. Do not run come to me and cry to me.
Yo, me don't hide the money under the house bottom.
Anything you say, you can't
But
say
watch
me
out, this is
want.
1 week from now. If my life going back, I come back. You know me? I'm gonna put you. Come on. I don't want to bother you around this.
You see when putting money?
Of course, girl, people that people love money, so.
So yeah, so you do it.
Come on.
Wait, look. Yeah, cool. But it's not where you get too much money from. Yeah.
Jesus.
And I be $100 then.
rich in a Chelsea.
With your backside. Where the hell you get them kind of money from that you have to hide? Where you here hide money?
You don't know. Maybe you have too much time, you know.
Jessica, stop chat foolishness. Put the money in your bag. See, I don't know, I could have some drugs money, I could have cook any boy and sell. We don't want nothing to do no blood money, this finest people.
So what's the blood money? We're rich. You know a job now, one of them are dollar right now, you know promising?
You go rich yourself down to hell.
It's 2 we are going to because we are friends.
Damn drugs money.
Turn yourself,
Jessica,
girl.
Well, I cannot
hide
get
something on your
serious.
clothes. Come to a thief back.
Hide in your breast. Me now no breast. Anyway, as we did that say, a drugs money when you have nothing to do with it, go put it back.
Come on, Chelsea.
Jessica, think and got sense. Nobody no hide money. Nobody no hide money. Good money. Nobody no hide money for good money. A blood money that day. A coke money.
Oh, you know it's a court money.
So what get in a trouble for you? Then what make him hide it? What make him hide
Because you have too much and I see enough money, it's supposed to know police catch you on the road.
So what make you want police catch we with it on the road?
No, split it up. I have the job. The job on it.
The job on it?
Clothes. Yeah.
The job on all right?
I don't know if the clothes at Chelsea.
I'm sure I have to do with the money. Turn around. I don't know say. You have place to hide the money. You don't got nowhere to hide it. You carry. Are you find it?
You know what kind of style? It's just a little man thing so.
What little your thing? You're a thief?
Yeah.
We say we don't go look, we never say we take it.
Yeah.
Run man, where you go?
Yeah, David.
Yeah, my father I go and clean the place, yeah.
Yeah, move right now and wake up the whole head. So come on, man. Where are you, me dad? I don't see you up on the road again.
There, my boy, nothing not to go on for me, you know, so I first lock in and clock in on the time them.
What you mean nothing now? Go on.
I go on father, but I know so they ain't fire me for a 5 piece of work, man.
Fire you?
Yeah,
What
fire.
you mean? How them for fire job?
I don't want a white boy man come around pump with me, dog.
I lie at you.
Slap in his face, making him say, yo, a Jamaican bad big man, but what do you think of that?
No, dog, you shouldn't do that, bro.
You mad?
No, bro, they have more rights than you out here, dog. You shouldn't do that, bro. Yo, you can't work in a hotel, no?
At that, me see. At that, me see one incident now, every hotel me go, they turn me down.
You can't work in a hotel, my dog. Believe me, man, you shouldn't do that, man.
I tell them for right now, to me up on my face right now, just want to rake up a place and, you know, free my mind and some
So,
style.
how long ago the incident happened?
Well, about a month or so now ago.
I know, see, around a month, I don't see you up on the road for through that. I just come and said, so, you like for dog, check me go and check and see if you turn over in the house, you know, dog.
Turn over.
Because you want TV with me, I want. I forget
What you say?
No, I say, you know, because your TV mad, so, you know, but I look on it too. But, you say, you're good though.
You can't get one TV, man, a bad TV that, man. But my day I say, my father, say, no, you can do a thing for your boy, man.
I mean, dog.
Do something, man, right now, I'm going for a man, no cook on the stove for a morning.
Alright, here I go now. Me out get some stuff on the road and pay you back. Get some food stuff run about to said way, you know?
Yeah, man, that alright.
Alright, normal first.
Alright then, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Pick up back the place, yeah, man, so. Oh boy, father, have to send your son coming in the morning, father.
Job, boy.
Could make your daughter stay, man.
Job, boy.
One of the with now and come back fast though.
Chopper, what you do?
Just gonna rake up the place and go on easy. So
And what would you left him do again?
Rick.
now I left him on my phone.
Oh, you'll find something to do.
Yeah, cause
You keep yourself occupied.
Right, that's smart.
Oh, I'm going down on the road, you know. No matter I tell you, say, I make one link and if something go on, we not left you out, no matter how I go on.
So I want to go on.
Go up on the road, man.
Cook now.
We're rich.
Can't.
Oh,
We're not rich.
we're rich.
Anyway, job on.
Rich.
We're rich. You
Just
have a
be
house you
idle.
can buy.
Left it out.
Yeah, we can buy a house and sell it back for nothing. Cheap and little and nothing.
Oh man,
And buy everything where you have and buy everything where you have.
I'm going to come pull prank for me, no go style me that style.
No, me tell you, say, look for me good. You
Una
can buy
style
everything
me
in your house
understand.
and left change.
So it's a good friend come to.
Yo, job on, look at. It's no joke.
No joke.
Not a scam, no baloney.
More did it too.
Dog, we go down on the road and we bingo. Bad man, we bingo, dog, we bingo.
More left in
Be
your bag.
hundreds. US dollars. Clean boy.
Rich man.
Oh, yo, not even funny. Yo, me happy to take my glad back, boss.
So,
Jabon, wait.
take it out.
You can't put the money in your pocket yet.
So you put it in
Mama say when you count here nothing, you know. When I give you stop to count the money and see your foot will come.
No, we just not sure you. We just not
No.
sure if you're fine.
That's a
say
fear.
bag full I'm thinking
Yes, but we still have to sit down and
No.
share it. If you are going to share, we have to share it even.
Yeah.
You think you share
We not share, not share that for your foot will come. We not even up in the bag of road. Not even one chips we not buy outside. Anyway, Jabon.
But come think about it now.
Watch out. There you go.
When you road like a Juta bus father.
I'm nervous man, but it's about 2 hours now. I want to come buy so much money. I want to rob somebody, scam one white man or something. I want to come buy so
And
much
them kind
money.
of disrespect me not like, you know. You have violated thing. We tell us that we not left you out anything when we are come back
No,
and
me not
forth,
say
and
nothing
that
left
we
me,
do.
but if I thief on TV, I mean I want involved in it.
No, I couldn't know robbery.
bro.
I couldn't know robbery, father. We just left us in the job one.
Science. I don't talk book science, I talk science. You
Oh, I'm
can't
doing
see.
some money.
Job one. You're going too far now, man. We just go down in a town and see one little. Alright, let me show you what going. I want a little free. See him? Let me show you. We are go down in a shop to go buy some. Me and Jessica go down in a shop to go get some. I want to go in a shop. We only see a window open.
Yeah.
And we have one little conversation on the back part of the place and them conversate about money, one woman and one man. I chat about money. And me hear woman a cuss him man for dash away money. And saying go get in a trouble if you not dash away. I don't know what kind of money, if I drugs money or a blood money. I don't really want you had nothing to do with it, but you want. Yes, if I need man cuss him out and tell you for dash away money, he say nah dash away and we see him hide it. Not just like a people and see him hide it. Watch out, what you do?
No.
Bill no man. Bill.
That sound good, man.
No, but me I tell you
The money must not good for chew.
Well, more fruit
Oi,
still if
stop
you
it
don't
now.
want it, you know.
Oh, nah, dash away. Nah, dash away.
Wanna
Here I
come?
go one. Here I go one, job one. Just grateful so far that God said just
No,
come here foot no man.
bless
What you
him,
got
but-
on about?
A wrong blessing.
I know we do nobody nothing.
We don't do nobody
I
nothing.
hide the man, hide the money, and we go and just
So they
go
come
take
back
up
to
it.
feet now. What will happen now? But
We business, you go tell nobody say how we have it, brother? No, nobody go no say how we have it. You have sense. You can't just suffer and hungry and man carry money a long time, man a suffer in a dog.
a long time I suffer for chew, but
Father God put on blessings to you and Jessica take up you and say, yo, we not let you, we are carry. Stop it nice, because you take up your money for you, but anyway, I'm glad you take
Sell
up
me
it.
out here.
Dog, I just try with you, so we not sell out your brother.
Stop calling me name, man.
what you know? Here we can know. Not to go on for chew, you know.
Brother, we can run some
have one
food, dog,
virgin.
and do some little
Me
things
have a
with it.
virgin and we can't keep it because I find it. Actually, it's thief on the TV because I'm on hiding money.
I can't thief,
I can't
bad
thief,
man.
I find
A
out
shop
find.
and no nobody
Find
yard
out.
we going at.
Listen.
Finders, keepers.
Me I call my virgin.
They not call him man. What kind of man that you're letting for
Yeah,
from
man.
quick now?
Hey, me
man,
I say, you know,
good
say
dude,
nah,
that
no
man.
style.
In just left a while ago, someone buy some food, can come give me.
No, we not trust nobody,
No,
man.
man. It's a nigga, yeah.
Yo, Jessica, I come like a wrong decision to make.
I rang this job, you shouldn't make
Listen,
me
man.
know.
No, a good this man I rich for a long time. I'm married for about 5 to 6 years now.
Jabon.
I look with the money and nothing to the man. Man, I give girl work for money, you know.
Jabon, me know when you bust the link in the dog. I just
link
because
no
I trust them,
boss.
we even come back and you
But
foot,
you
you
know-
know.
I shouldn't
But
come
you know-
back because you want
No,
involved
no,
with
do
nice
that,
and a
man.
big
Watch now,
thing.
hear me out. Listen me out, man. Listen me out. You see me give dog the money.
Yeah.
We can't take them and pinch panic. Cause you know, remember now, we broke today. Rich tomorrow, we buy big house and big vehicle. What it gonna happen? If when I feel money, I'll go and come check with government and if city go and check with the drugs money.
But you don't even know who for money you
And
involve
that-
everybody
but
unite.
It's a nigga you man rich a long time.
And you say you own a fee money like
Oh,
say.
God, no.
But alright, we not go to highlight the thing. We don't want to load up. We don't want to load up.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not even comfortable with your car nobody. But watch
No,
out.
good, you
Alright,
can
we'll
do
wash your money.
yourself, man.
We'll wash it.
Go wash. So if you want to buy a car man, you can check him on the look like say as a loan.
Alright, me see if we Jessica, guess how we go.
Just give
We
him
not
tight.
what we are doing with this.
No, I put everything in that back, man.
Alright, so we wait for your G
Oh,
then.
sorry,
Yeah.
I take 4 for myself.
Well, do one one, just don't say.
Or we can take half for
Jessica,
myself.
you know man to
No,
put
but
all
that
that
be
money in
greedy,
your bag.
man. What you do, man?
Are you where left it with?
No, move. That wait till the dog come.
Oh, alright, and I'm all free.
And start shaking at you, I don't want to get away too precious. Oh, what? Chelsea.
Oh no, nothing but me kind of the thing say it's a
No,
money
man, me
business
not
there
trust
too.
this money, I know, man.
It too. We not like
Yeah,
this.
that big money, I can't make everybody involved in that Chelsea. No, Chelsea, we cannot trust this youth here.
Yeah,
I just want to alone with
So we
trust.
done for a long time, but I'm coming
we
to say
don't
we
know
not
how
let him
long
out.
Listen, man, that's easy, man.
He must know him, do. Give me benefit.
Hello.
What you going on, my father?
What you deal with, bro?
Yo, come give me a check right now, my father. Man, come give me a check. No.
Bro, I supermarket, me there go and grab some of my goods.
Just lift his supermarket and forward. No, man. You can't speak look man. What about that, man? Come check me. No.
Man, you know, see how me grab some groceries for you.
Lift it alone, my family. Come check me. No.
That
See?
is me the plan way.
Give me back. Give me back no my girl.
Jessica, we just have to trust him for now. Give me.
Easy no man and me, you know.
Your job one, I hope you not frig up your link, you know, dog. Cause next time we both want to look like this, we're going to left you tight if I make this one and frig up, you know, dog.
I'm telling you, I want myself, man.
Cause we should even carry all the money we can come here.
Can buy myself a drink with that.
Well, on a few money I would just give me. You know, but if you can take what we want out of this, kind of look like say,
no, we can't do them that thing.
You can't tell me that.
You need that top boy.
You can't hold all money come on your foot, dog, and you come like say you want to share what $100 give me and Jessica to go share. You got sense, man? I want a whole bag of money. This way we take out, you're not even going to miss it.
I just 300.
We want a piece of food now if you go up on the road, me and Jessica. Start out your business with that. You're not tell nobody say we take out none. Because I'm not saying we're gone, you are going to take out some for yourself.
No, man, I not do that, man.
Remember, say we did count, you know, when I say.
The boy are forward, man. I'm told the man.
Jessica. No, we not in no bra things, you know. Me I go look sitting for me and grab sitting for me.
No, not spending money, you know. Remember, say, yo, we broke today, you know, we can't come on like
yo, we have sense and we carry money come and feed your foot. We never have to do it, you know. Bad man, we never have to do it. We could have go about with business, go sit down and count out to me and Jessica alone. I wouldn't know about it.
No, I'm not hiding.
So when the nigga come now, why more do
my father right now.
Why more do it? Why more do it? Why more do it?
Like a reason about him, man.
Reason about it how?
What about this man now, man? How can
So
I
not trust me again?
Yeah, me not trust my youth.
You go on. And we carry money come on your foot, so we are get benefit of the door. See? Alright, and if you with money, so I make you do what you do. Hopefully what you do work out.
War on self and everything.
Yo, we are good on pan ways, go
do the right thing.
Order some food and normal.
Alright, then do the right thing.
Look, come on. Remember good enough, father. Remember good.
Don't think, man. It's a long time we come from, you know.
Yo, send me a jagger. How you go, man?
Yo, take a forward for father, man. You know
What one?
So I'm for female friend, they bring a little package, come give me some fine little package, put it on a little part. You know what style?
Package.
Yeah, then find out. Check the package. I mean, my speechless when you carry going through them, I'm speechless. See package.
How would they find this, my dog?
I don't know, my brother, man. They tell me say then they want part. So them go shop and here one man and one woman argue about the dash of money and this and that. So
What you say?
yeah. So me have to see some bombs and
Hold on, let me look back on you again. Then here, woman and man argue.
yeah, if it dash of money, cause money put in a problem on some police business, you know. So then Kerry come give me some say, I was in a man to have a bridge long time.
But I mean, not sure.
That's how yo. I remember say yo, we broke in a dog.
Yeah.
So we can broke today, bridge tomorrow, you know.
Yes.
No something, no sing so. You see me so. So I call you and make a hold on for me till you can see what is what until you come out and take some pinch back to the group. You see me?
So, alright, watch out. I don't know no boy money, you know, but if you don't want bag like this, I feel like some more money should have in there. What you say?
Me give them one piece and then
No! Job one. I wrong move there, so because you are going to I see you and nobody on the bills them dog. You know, but so we not a long time, you know, we know the money thing going on. This a money here. Right now I go to some drugs money here set based on how you describe it. So here go on me dog, don't even spend $1. Don't even spend $1, right?
Me call you, you know.
Let me show you man.
You can hold on.
You check up here already? I don't even know.
I don't even know how much money in my
Killer, you good with me. Not even $1 now missing. Not even $0.
No, you have to tell me that. I know that already.
Yeah.
Remember say you're a monkey when you man. I'm man.
Yo, tap them. You don't know if you'll catch them or what, but just make sure you don't spend $1 out type. Believe me. Problem out in it, yeah?
I have a feeling so too, you know.
We govern him, man.
Alright,
Believe me.
alright.
Go on.
David. David,
Yo.
for the love of God, don't tell me you really go take up for the money. After I talk to you, you really go take up your money. You couldn't wait till next week you go take up your back.
Shut up. Tell her what.
No, sir.
Tell her what. You
Not
see?
serious.
You see, Kayla? All when me not try scam woman a try scam themselves with my money. So it makes sense me to scam them and get the benefit. You want
Where you go take up your money for?
take up much money? A job one, you didn't even know a job one. I'm a friend carry this money and put it in my hand.
See your friend give you more.
Well, I don't know more money. This is what me I say now. You want to believe say when we get at the shop at chat, it's like 2 man here we sit down on a chat. And then hear me I say, yeah, here I say about dash your money. You want to believe say, for me go put the money down. Then go take up it. You bring it to my friend, and my friend bring it to me. He didn't even know say I fake money. So you see how calm I just come around. Right now I gotta tell myself just take this money from him and go dash it, get to woman, got a couple come on just frig up the place, you know.
You got prison.
Me not got no prison.
You are go got prison. And you know say you're wicked smartly.
How?
Wait until the people say I fiat money.
Tell who? Me tell them to thief my money.
They not thief the money. Them find it.
Then see the dog say in here, they say me must put it down and then go take up it. What them a take up where I for them for?
So me ask you a question. You the pan road and you hear somebody say them a dash of one bag of money or one brick. You not go look.
Me a look, me not touch. Me know what them a dash away for. Post a drugs money.
Give me the money, me go dash away for
You're
you.
sick in the head, man. Me tell my boy say me I will have man the same. I try to fuck him call me, cause dog say he know say me in the streets long time and rich long time. Come build up me image, you know. Right now me I think about that. Me can't bother dash away money cause if me stop spend money right now, my image will go down.
Hello. Love you. Please, me I beg you. If you're not stopping, you know, and you got prison, you know, me not come bail you. Me not take none of my maga cranny body foot them, my pencil pine foot them come down and on station, come bail you, you know. So put it in your big pumpkin head. So you better take a little time, give them back the money, make them money not the problem. And them go see it and take up it, left back the problem upon them, bring back the money.
Right now, you know, some more show from boy job on the pre-book. I kind of want to have a look of fun, look a bit and see everything play out. What do you think? No man, you don't want to
Me think if you bring back give back the people their money and tell them say the money fake.
them money? Where you make your mouth say? Fit them money. Me not
They
hear
find
good.
it. Yes, you did throw it away and they find
I
it.
put it down to come back for next week and they take it. Right now, me fi report them to the jail just for that alone.
Answer to me not to when I mean that talk about them a little thief in money. Cause nobody pass and things say me and you. Me uphold with you and your thief in money.
Yeah, hold on, fam. I want to see a man. Me give one bit. Get tap nice. Buy something nice, man. Buy something nice.
Me no want your money.
I don't mind. Then take it.
Me like me want money
You
to
know,
you.
just say for them money. How to be my money?
Bring back the people their money, I bring back your money. Whoever money wants to be. Bring it back. I don't want any.
Yeah, that's why I'm too like you sometimes, you know. Cause me more.
Sometimes I don't even like myself. I don't know me a par with you for. With your criminal activity.
Yeah, you know, a criminal. Yeah, what's a criminal? Wait.
Excuse me, come in yard.
Wait, you know what I'm going.
Why? No man, girl, I need to fix up a place.
I feel your place. Nobody can tell no lie for me. You see me live
Yeah.
here? Are you live here? Anyway.
You need to fix up
Yo.
this. In our
Where
work.
say we are good on the road, go do this morning now?
I think it's something so you can get some board.
No, you are go buy board for your house. And for
But
the
girl, you
house.
go like a
Me live
buy
up there, so you live to yourself.
Oh,
Anyway,
girl.
come. No bra things.
When you hold up on this, come not say ever lose money, you know. You can't.
I don't lose money, and if you walk with that money, they go to the road.
Yeah.
Remember, so I have to make sure you know more. Make sure so you count in the camera. When you count,
say
you
that
give me
tree.
more.
Yeah, that's
You
nice.
give me no more than see it there.
Oh,
They
come
take
on.
6 and I give you 3. It's a for me 3.
Girl, me.
What's something to do with this now?
That's what happened for me at Chelsea, me now.
Go on and shop and come back now. Nobody can long, you know.
Right.
Come now, you left me one over here.
Ah.
No way, girl.
Come on, man.
What your job one and who will kill you? Where you run and go?
Hey, money, give me it back.
What happened to your money?
The money, give me it back.
What make me forget it back?
I just imagine now I'm going to look at the money and say, checking number then upon the money, man.
What do you mean tracking, non tracking device never depend on money?
Tracking the money, in number, them are tracking number then upon the money.
Serial number them.
Some tracking business I try to tell them about, something like that.
I serial number.
That you have to give me money.
What make me forget
you?
you? We not spend none out there yet. No,
Just
me
say no
tell us that we
spending.
not brave cause I don't feel with money.
I'm saying if you're not spending, a problem and trouble in night.
What kind of trouble?
I'm show you money in your face look different, like there's like worry different, like him worry about something. Maybe myself don't understand what I go on. You see if you come back for your money from you, you're not spending none at all.
Why you say enough to spend? We not to spend none of it.
None enough to spend, not even a
So
dollar.
if you give back everything,
Everything.
Jessica, just give me 15 piece of money for
I-
money, no brother.
See, I gotta work.
Gotta work while go
I mean-
look fool now. If she come back and ask me where her money there, I tell her I say
You
me give you it back.
explain to her.
But I don't open a go and I go on me thing because you know
man,
we get
man.
a piece of food, you know that.
No, you will know something.
Because we never call in here, we don't know so we got no money. Jessica with enough self, but if you come, me take 3 for myself and 3 for Jessica. See it there? Let me make sure say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, so miss.
And when Jessica come, I tell him say I like to take back. So if you want to come over there, come check your film business. I go look full figure left me in place and come back and can get back in money.
I'm gonna call it dog now. Yo, father.
Jagger, where are you, Lord?
Yeah, I'm there, I'm gonna get back your money now.
Everything.
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 At 6 then take.
6.
Yeah, what
You
I'm
sure?
At 6 then say then take.
Yo, put on speaker and make sure they hear me loud, you know.
Alright, put up on speaker, hold on.
Hello, I speak of this.
Yeah man, a speaker, she a hear you.
Hello, good evening. Everything this.
You know, say, me not even know who me I talk to, but you ask me about if I everything. At 6 we take out and me just fit it even with me and my girlfriend. And Job wants to begin back everything.
Yes,
So
everything.
me just give him it. All like me have no more.
Alright, no disrespect, mama. Me rich long time. You don't even have to worry about your money. Me
Why mean you rich long time? So every long time why you run on this a little piece of food
I
there
run it
for?
down. I wanna run conky me. Me can't go no back if you want me go no back.
We never run congy, you know. Now you and Job on a bedroom, we don't know you.
Job one, put your phone in your ears.
Yo,
I gotta eat that.
why I don't know, you know.
I eat that. Me I tell him boy, man, yo, listen to me. I said that. Are you me a chat to? Cause you me a deal with.
Nonsense.
Just collect all of the money.
Yeah man, I collect your whole 6 man.
Everything, you see me? Bro, if we even $1 spend and it start circulate from the reach a bank, I done or no done.
No, we done.
I me I show you, bro. So watch out. I'm glad to see you collect back everything. Me no want, you know, if you want hold on pan it or you want give me full on pan. But don't spend $1 out of it. You hear me? I told you,
Alright,
bro.
my father.
Tomorrow I'm going to other updates.
Alright.
Alright.
Man can't reach and run down one little piece of food.
The man say if some money I spend and
Why you go on? You talk to him and like say you're afraid. So you're afraid on Friday?
afraid. Boy, something I go on, something me afraid.
What you mean you're afraid? That cereal number depend every dollar.
Yeah, but them want a different part of them say if money I got a bank, I done it.
We never tell us say we are going no bank. We tell us we go buy some food for
if
we
you don't
house
spend it, you know.
and
See if you don't spend it, when nowadays if we have camera now, you know. People can't hide nowadays, you know, if you do nothing, you pick you up. If you have one mask, you pick you up. If you're spending, if you carry a bank, so I read on camera and say, oh, it's when I get some money coming up.
stick a whole heap of pin the job one man. Cause me know I say me go to school and when me go to school, me never sit down in back of class or a middle, me sit down up in front. So if you run down for this a little piece of money, yeah.
No,
Where go go and feel whole bag of money where Jessica left
me
you?
not
When me and
sure
Jessica
yet.
left you over
Me
there.
not know yet. Possibly make me know what go on after that. So me
Cause you have one whole bag of money so and you run down for 6 notes. 6 notes.
you know say team and say
How about them a serial number here where me and Jessica have so?
boy. No worries, so me give you an update. But
If you like how you want to hold your money
Me
for
want to
yourself,
hold
you
my
know. Not even $1 you don't want to give
Yeah,
nobody
get more
out time.
update,
And I
man.
will give you it.
just easy yourself, man. I get more update, man.
Me I wait for Jessica here so come here to go tell Jessica
Myself
this.
can't buy one juice myself. You know, I'm a corrupt, you know, man. Yo.
Not even one drink you can buy for yourself. Go say you go flask then now and brav. And buy all kind of sitting for your house. For your whole house. And Jessica place there one board and tile and everything. You want all paint. Look here. Them a paint, them a board there ball for little paint. Murder them a ball for. Sure.
Chelsea. More $100. Whew. I'm tired.
Me not know $100.
Give me my $100.
Jabon just run me down pan him broke foot. You don't want to see man a run pan him foot we broke.
Hold on,
See if
hold
you
on.
collect back all our money which part we got.
What you just say a while ago?
He said Jabon come hunt me down for money while ago girl. What me a walk go right up there so me a walk go check somebody up there so to go get something till you come.
Tell me give me 3 bills.
No, just give me money
finally
for
rich
two.
now. I am at job one guy with the money. Job
Job
one
one-
saying you want the money along, you know, I will give him the money. I see a fool girl.
Tapping eyes. Who fool?
You're fool man.
Who fool?
And we need the house to fix up your house. Look how
Oi,
we need the
tapping
money.
eye.
We need the money to fix up your house.
For your house. And you need the money
We
to
will
fix up
have
your
one
house.
them.
But look here. That I know that. Bigger fishy fry. If Jabon a run with down for 6 notes. 6 bank notes. Why do with the whole bag of money where you give him?
What you give him?
Are you game?
Are you?
Are you game son a tremble Jessica?
We not even feel cost about no money because we are good friend.
Anyway,
Why you that give
He
me?
claimed to say one big man when did link. He man see a man when they chat to about.
I
He
believe
link him
that.
man. Well I know listen to me now. He link him man and him man take him money from him and I tell him say yo, you make sure say we don't spend not even $1 out time because the serial number where they funny, the money can track. So me I say yo if we go bank go change the money, police will go hold on for me and you. So I say we never plan to go on bank. We plan to go get some food stuff for we house and buy little things and go weird. We never depend no bra things. He must say man say we can't spend that $1 out there. Yeah, call him and put the phone on speaker brain. Call him and put the phone on speaker. Me and I chat and I say yo, if I all like it, we make sure say all like it. So me I say yo, me no want no problem with nobody and their money brother because I say I'm fine. But if you let them on the phone on the phone, that sound like he have some issues with money problem.
Chelsea, me ask you a question. Every money now serial number fine.
But that me ask.
So we not give him for?
He say we can't spend $1 out there, brother.
No man, the money not sound right it. So why you
No,
can't
job
spend
one
money
not
your
so
time?
right it. Job one so like say have a whole bag of money over there and he still want the 6 piece where we take out. And to him attack, he come like you know believe so we never take out no there before we carry money go give him.
Alright, you know what we're gonna do? I watch it play. Anyhow, we see him buy a whole heap of something. We know what to do. Cause me not
I'm broke,
understand
me
this.
no money.
Then we able to know, but me not understand this. Because
Girl.
we want to buy up some groceries.
Yo, we have to go watch job one dog. Me no business we want to call and how that them man they serious and why can do and why no want to do.
And he
Me just know
just-
say same thing not right, Jessica.
And we
You
can't
see me?
miss
And
your
me just not me feel like say yo, job one fall off that. Me no feel like me trust him again. Cause you know, him and a run and come and a hop on him foot, you know. You couldn't believe 6 banknotes, 6. And you got one whole bag of money where we left over there, few money and we can come in your yard and left here your place. So that means say yo, we have to go watch him. Cause right now, if me see him spend nothing.
right now.
If me see him buy nothing, me tell you the truth, we have to go knock him, we have to go cuff him cause few money.
Girl, right, me can't back up my yard, yeah, man. Stay in your cottage.
Which breeze blow you come right here, so? What you look for? Something in there for you?
Me look and see what I go on.
Something on my phone for you?
No, sir, wait, give me a seat. I see your kind. Look up in your face.
Right, get to put on my seat.
Wow.
No, I'm not you come here.
You know, so today, the boy job one to carry the rest of money come. Because the girl then did have it.
Why sometimes you feel like say you can't? Where you take me for?
What I mean?
You know, sometimes when you have a problem, then you have to come at me, you have to come over me and go and talk about it. You can actually stay a yard and do what you do. You don't have to really involve me in it. Because the less me know, the better for me.
Oh,
So when time come here, I go down, I don't go down with you.
I never go down. Never.
When you go to prison, me no come back at you at prison.
I will never go to prison. The only time I go to prison, go visit you. Think me I go to prison?
Me go to prison for?
And that more I know. What me I go to prison for?
That person me I say. Me and you and God know say the money fake. You say job board and your friend. My advice to you is tell job one say the money fake. Send tell the 2 girls them say the money fake. So then throw away the money and call it a day.
No.
Because look how suppose them girl they know. You sometimes you shouldn't get involved in that if you just make job. I know what my job won't tell me the money. You know why? So the girl them might go spend all at the bank. They might go change at the bank. They might go to the supermarket go spend it. When they get catch, they go and call job one name. Then they go and call the job one go and call your name.
My name how? How my name will call?
Okay, involved in it. You tell job one say your money.
Come to tell me my money. You need to tell someone have some fun with the money and see where it go.
People will see where to go. Where if you go?
Don't know what they plan for.
Hey, what? Me tell you for that money they go. That your money there, they go in the police them hand. Cause any none of them ever good on a supermarket. Go spend it and get catch on camera in a Davy. Prisoner, me say you know. Oh.
So what you think?
Tell job one say money fake cause your friend and making give back the girl them the money.
Alright, what?
I'm making tell the girl them say money fake. I'm not throw away money. As simple as that.
You think that's the right thing for you?
And the right thing we do. So, alright, you say the girl them here when we attack, right?
Yeah.
Suppose I did one police here when we attack. And somebody end up at jail with you. They say if you come out of my yard. They say somebody like if sometime when you go do your criminal activity, you do not come and inform me about it. You keep it to yourself. Yes.
Well, I'm not a criminal activity, you know. The only crime me do is get too much girl. If me forgot jail for that would have got jail for. I would have get life in prison. Because when I dip on my bricks, them, my girl then dip on me.
And that they go and get when they catch your thief.
I've never stolen. I have never
So
stolen.
what you do when you where get to take money them from?
Look come.
Eh?
Look come, you're police.
Every day come in here, they said food. Me can't send me outside in peace.
So, one worker man to come cut down that tree. Yeah. One worker man.
Girl, what?
It's
just so. Why pray?
Why you walk for like thick broken and feel kutash?
I must see you put it in there. Anyways, what
What
going?
happened?
What going?
What if you go on? But you say for me money, you ask me say what they go on. If you go on.
No, me ask you Chelsea. Are you give her money, you know? So I'm for you're stressing up. Me give you the money, you're gonna give that. What you gonna give job one for?
It's morning too early for this.
Man, girl,
What you say?
I want to buy groceries.
Yeah, you want to buy groceries, me want to buy groceries too. Me want clothes
You
and
not like
food and
your
shoes
stress?
too. Me stress girl, me head hurt me, no joke. Jessica, remember say you give job on the whole bag of money, you know. So you cuss with me for 3 bills.
Remember say you tell the man say they are give him piece of food. That's the only reason why. And you are give him trust because I tell you say don't trust your friend why I give money to. And you say no, we must watch and see what happens. None he come for you all of a sudden for money. You not find a suspicious, Chelsea?
Me find no suspicious what you are going like say yo me take your money and me near me.
Well, better you do that in a Chelsea. Better you take your money and near me.
How me fi take your money and near me and see me your money?
Sure, you know say me wrong. You see at first when I come to you, I shall just search you and take your money. Because your money grows all in your house or then in your pocket or somewhere. Because I'm not an idiot.
You want me open up everything you search? Search go on.
Me surely search you, come me search you.
Idiot girl, move out of my face, man.
Let me tell her this, Chelsea. You give the little blasted ugly boy the money. What me gonna eat? Me hungry, you know?
You feel about where my pipe side. Look here, man. You know something I like yourself?
I'll get me over money and you give away money. Well, let me know if you feel that way and me your friend you give away money. Why you give away money, Chelsea?
Me give me 6 bills. For me 3 and for your 3.
So why you never hide mine and still don't know what you do with it?
Boy, you're an idiot. You cost about $300. You cost about $300 with $600. Brother, cost about the whole bag of money where we give job one. And where the man come from for when he must suffer.
You know, rate me.
Stop it nice.
You know why I'm saying I rate me? Because when job and ask the money, you could have saw a 3 alone have me gone with you like when I shop. But you're so bad, man. You take 6 of them and give job one the money for what?
Hey, girl, come down.
No, I mean I let them search you.
Come down now, come bring you down. You know, say no.
You don't like me as a friend, you know?
You know,
I want to for this argue for money, you know?
Shut up.
Hello, we are going to job for money. Come here. Hey, you see that I want to say happen. One to say happen can't take people money. We are going to yard for money right now.
You better you say that because that sound like you have sense now. You have sense.
Girl,
so me make you go down with the money and police will hand you down there. So who you would have called?
Why you not hold up on a tree, me have?
And for your money. And serial number the penny.
Every money not serial penny.
Yes, but it's a tracker the penny money, brother. You could go down and shop. You go down and shop, go spend $100. You go down and shop down there, so go spend $100 and buy what? You have sense? You say head tough like a coconut. Come and go over job and go check where my galang with over there. I know me find out time I spend my money on war.
Yep.
Where you go?
Come like your time, bro.
What you mean? But you don't tell me a thing, you know, daddy.
Daddy.
I'm father, man.
Call like your bricks.
I call it your brick, man.
Oh, yeah, the right thing, dog. But, dog, I don't feel like some I go on, you know, dog. But I have to tell her the truth. Yo, here I go on.
Talk to me now, when I'm team fire, I'm sorry. I'm team and 4 you come from me now.
I take out my toothpick, bro. Dog, you see, I'm glad you pray me as a real nigga where you can trust me enough to hold on for the money. Because I know some money ain't real nothing to it, dog. We have money a long time. From Jesus out here, pampas to before God even birthed Jesus.
I'm my friend. Rich out from some and them man the days, you know.
Yeah, we are them man there.
Most of man
we show them man there for rich, bro.
Oh God, man. I'm
but
man.
Year all gone, dog, in a real life. Their money ain't legit, dog.
Me money legit.
I don't know good money, dog. Watch you now. You see, me have 2 sources of income, but me need to want into all that. You see this money, bro. You see, you get them, what you say, pick up a piece of money. And me there dash your money, dog. This money are not legit.
So you mean by you dash your money?
This money are fraud money, dog. The money are they are not real money, dog. The money are not legit. We trick your eye, but you can't trick your scan of the money and sit the dog. So that's some fake money, you see me? And then I normally use and trick a girl them and beat off their skin. You see me, bro? So in a real life, me and mama talk and turn off to my friend them. Me and them talk and I say, yo, I'm sure you pray. Because I say, yo, me do go and freak down a little bit and see what I go on, you know? See what kind of drama can come about it. But that's some serious legal setting this dog. So that's why I even tell us, yo, I'm hold on back panic. Watch you now. Watch you now, man.
Me listen, man.
I know legit money, bro. You see me? The money I can't pass through scan of them and can't do nothing, dog. So right now, if cops hold on for this money, bro. You got jail, but here you don't got jail because of drug money, I know, mafia boss money. And my money, them, dog, go me bandolo and trick girl with, dog. And now I spend them a cash, dog. And I know say you don't know I pray. I be a friend and even know I pray neither, dog. And watch her. You know say it's tough to hear, dog, because I know say I don't go to the face and hit a jackpot. But in real life, I want me to show you money because my friend I want me to say, a federal crime, dog, a serious sitting this up. You see me? Serious sitting this dog. So me just have it and a tricky girl them and I beat them off faster, dog. But you know, because I know wise up and I wanna say, yo, no, you know them problem there. You know me, dog? That money I just figure select a night for money pull up on hot tune and hide your face, dog. Get a one big up. You know me, dog?
True, man. True,
Listen, we're not feeling that way about
You're
it.
mad, man. Boy, I respect me so you more for that.
Watch out, you know.
Because I'm spending and go to prison and go on easy, my
That
dog.
I think, bro, that me
Good
don't
youth,
want. Because
man.
I'm do a lot of fun for saying
What
about.
kind of fun?
Let me show you, but watch out, my dog. All feelings like this too. So I have from a personal collection, my dogs. I don't know if you can fit good or not, you can link a watch, man. So, I don't know. Just coming on hard feelings night, dog, you know.
Where do you want to come from?
Straight from Italy, dog. Italy, I just
Yeah,
say for
that.
Gucci Royal.
Want a heavy, you know?
So let me show you, man. You have to go link on
I
it.
say cool, man. Ice.
I mean, ice, bro.
Cool,
Ice,
daddy.
tattoo. But yo.
How you lock? You know
Sure,
how lock?
man, I see lock.
Locking up.
That's opposite way. You know.
Oh. What?
You have to go knock out for your link them still there. But you know, I just
Respect my father, man. I'm team on it. Heavy, I'm handy, man. Can come up, daddy.
Big up me, dog.
Make up yourself, man.
Yeah,
I'm really
man.
good for that, man.
Yeah, man, you're a real youth.
You know, put on a show for you in the car. You come and give man a watch and take a whole lot of money and gone. Yo. Think, you hear that?
Davi,
Yo.
evening.
Hello.
I come look for you.
What?
Come to apologize for the way all me treated this morning. I am sorry. I could have handled it a little better. I could have talked to you more politely. I have to share me and run out of my yard. I'm sorry.
Well,
It was never my intention to hurt your feelings.
to tell you the truth, you know, I feel how I'm not telling a lie. But I'm kind of glad to see you did with me, because really and truly, I did need somebody to tell me that. Because yeah, I pray job as my dog for true. Yeah, that two girls, I no business about them. Them a thief, they should get some licked up. Because I put on your money, I don't know when to take up the phone. But,
Davi, my money that.
yeah.
Oh, do you go back for?
No, well,
So you get ready for Troy right now.
I go back for your money, yes. I go back for your money, yes. But
So we tell Jabon, so you telling me the truth?
Hold on, man. I go back to. I go back to. Yes, I go back for your money. Cause me I look on it and I say, job one and my dog and me I do this for years, you know. Me not go everybody catch a this, you know. But them I go listen some look how, you know, just come around, go look spend in your bank or Chinese, not Chinese man and put money, you know. And be money pull up me do on the dark, you know. You see me, so I suck come to girl, you know, so everything hype and sit, but they don't know. And then I be a lick at me buy, but
We tell Jabon say that me come about. Me not come about your dirty lifestyle.
me tell the dog say money fake, and me tell them say the two girl them when wants to take up the money, and me then here, me and you. Me then tell them say me and you still, I chat, and when me I hide the money. Me even tell them say I'm gonna come back for now. Me just tell them say I put it down, and Ray, and say I feel my money and the money they even fake. You see me, so
That's good. Wonderful.
me tell the dog, and me don't want the dog feel no way, you know, so me give him one of my good watch them.
But
Me give him one of my good watch them out
so
there. Me don't want to feel.
you couldn't wait until next month you give him the watch.
For
Suppose I know Jabon a pray you say you take back the whole of the money and give him watch. You know how that look? You know how that look?
like
That
one
look
good
like-
friend.
No, that look like say you trick him and just give him one little watch and just take the whole of the money.
No, it don't look that way.
Like you take him for a idiot. Because if I didn't mean no, but I think you take him for an idiot. You take all of my money and I tell me say a fraud money. So what you want to do with it for fraud money? And some
man.
other pre things,
No,
they
sir.
shouldn't do that.
No man, Jawbone can't pray that way. Jawbone knows say me a real nigga. He know that in himself. So me fi go on
It
my
don't
girl.
look right. It don't look right. If you tell the truth, you shouldn't give him the watch said time. You know, say I want a good thing for give him a watch, you know, it's not a bad thing. But you shall wait till that next month or next year give him the watch so you know pre certain things. He could have pre-night right now say, Yanni my friend long time, you sell him out.
You feel so for sure?
Yes, that's why you just give him a little watch and go with the whole of the millions.
You know what? To avoid all this a problem, you know what me I go do right now?
Well,
I take this money and find out that shit. I put it one place where
good.
nobody now go ever see.
A long time, if it be a long time, I talk to you.
Kayla.
Hmm?
Pussy girl is before I laugh.
Go look at work. Go look at work. It's not hard to work. It's very easy. Go and look at job. Job is out there. You have subject. Go and look at job.
Alright.
You're sitting here like you're a croft.
No, alright, do one something. Just stand over here for me. Because I'm sitting on fire. I don't really want to laugh coffee.
No, you never tell me that. I don't plan to move. I don't plan to go lock off the pot Because you know me can't cook. If I go burn up.
So, alright, look off with them now. Me dash them money. Me go down a salad. Me have the palm if go down a salad. Isn't it? I dash them.
Hello? Don't carry money go put in a one like a corner again, you know. Throw it away. Don't hide it now. And wait till me gonna make it go back for.
Alright. Well, look off the pot.
Yeah.
Hey, Jabon, where you at? Yo, come out of this. Come out, yes, sir. Come out now.
Oh, yeah.
Once I deal with. The boy can't watch, don't give me man.
Okay.
You know.
How you get watch from?
No, but you can't give me a watch man like that. Watch a pre now. Because right now, I don't want to feel me a pre now to watch from behind him.
You know, say 200 tell me feed that though.
Take up push that. Listen me out. Just listen.
Wait. No. A planting.
What on, man?
Just a planting.
Listen, hold on.
Me no want hear nothing from you.
Jabon, what you say? Jabon, what you say? Jessica, Billy, make a man talk now. What you say? What want food piece of food dog? You get one bag of money dog and you come back and take 6 bills from me. Yo, you can take 6 bills from me for me and Jessica brother. That's all we take out our money. I whole bag of money we give your father.
But me feel a way too. So
we can take away whole 6.
Listen, I'm something my boy come lick both here. My boy come tell me say your children man him put money in a little part there so.
Which boy calling can tell him put money in?
Me see him but I call on the phone because about the money. I fee money. Because somebody tell me say you fee
money.
money.
How fee money? I like boy I tell how fee money.
But tell me say you into me oh see me tell me say into me how you lay out. And I little shop bottom and put it in a little part back in a little bag there so.
Don't look for me
bag.
because planting
in the brown bag you tell me about this same when you carry come and give me call like no change.
Jabon. Cut out the push for now. I prank it for an hour.
Franks, how I know say this one get the money from?
Jabon, no man, in a real life. Come, me no joke today. What you say man get saying in left money and how we if you know which part in left fee money if you got
no, he must say he left money there so I'm tell him say yo watching the man my friend tell me say then hear one man or woman run a shop for a talk. I thought was some money business and that's money business but they never hear full 100% what go on.
So you tell the man that for Jabon. You informer?
I don't know informer business but my kid don't know what go on.
Jabon, where money the Jabon? Where do the money on bread? Who want to money to spend that?
Hello. Hold on.
Jessica, look for the watch your man and funny and brother.
From you, Chelsea.
But come here, no say.
Watch it up.
No, sir, no.
I dog give me a watch.
No, get that for me.
No way, you know.
Give me this.
So you get money by a watch.
I dog give me what I'm saying rich long time, you know. Him rich already, you know.
So when do it for money? When do it? You give him a light and you take out some for yourself too.
Fake money that.
Fake money how Jabon?
Somebody say fake money.
So when you get money from buy this gear?
No, I'm saying man rich different.
But I give me all this to dog. Cause I come like right now you take people feed that dog. You have to go
You know, sir.
It can't come off.
Jabon,
No, allow him, cause you're a friend. You and him closer. It's two on the planet. That's why you give a dirty boy my 3 bills. Because I two on the planet. See you dear watch. I look different. It's two on the planet. No, that's not to me. I don't know why she gave me 3 bills, you know. I'm not going to talk about fake money. You have big up what?
Jessica, you have no money. You have quarrel over 3 bills. I want whole bag of money. This
girl, are you game? I two on. Are you on it? What's up?
Are you give me? Are you give me?
Give me things, man. You give me 3 bills.
I'm going to sell you watch and give back the money and take the money to myself.
Give me 3 bills. Yo, now I'm put me in a yo. Yo, give me thing now. You see how you?
I'm
you know what? We can't bring you.
Hey, Laura, put me in a...
I'm going to go and check when my money. You know, say you're going to take when my money.
Go in front of us.
Go on.
Come on, carry that.
Come, I put on my money. You want to know where money go? Come, move up. Come on, move up fast. Call somebody.
David!
Come, call him Lord up boy for me cook you.
David!
Sit down, play a man. What's up?
Yeah.
Hello?
But David then?
David is not here.
No more talk to David right now. More see no.
You know there.
Hello, where man there?
And I'm my friend.
I am man. Get money and do up all the ear. And that's where money I go over here.
That's why I have money over my head. Girl, where your man there? You have money for it.
Yeah, your man plan and thief for money.
A job boy.
Talk about the man that can't chat.
David gone down at the cellar hole. She gonna show us some money.
Show you for money.
Oh, for what?
Job one.
So we watch the way give me a thank you.
Yeah, decent watch man.
Okay.
Give me some money fit
So
man.
everybody knows
A fake money.
Hold on. So wait, you know say your man can watch go get job one. I feel with money, he take buy watch.
You know about
No,
it
you know
then.
about that.
You know about it and she
You better talk up push by your man gun, you know.
And don't make him get
It's
my
not me, man.
You want my door so you might get because you know.
I might come in the come give you some liquor your kin. Where your man gone with the money?
Boy,
I
your
am a
man.
man.
I am man.
It's a big mouth girl, yeah, man.
Yeah.
David is not here. David is not here. Him gone down the road, gone down the
Turn
road
up
clean.
Turn up in again.
Why don't
Now
you
mash up on it today, no. Now mash up on it now. First, not like you all want mash up.
What you know man, see myself saying and dash right in bro man.
Yo, give me this.
Yeah, what?
Step on the phone, okay?
Ah, them are crap. Is this? Yeah, I'm gone.
Father God, some money, some fake money, and all if I go they do for me. And all if I body do for you, girl, and I check with it. But I realize right now in our life, I need to get rid of this. Really and truly need to get rid of this because it can cause too much harm. Too much harm it can cause. So, God.
No! Jesus! Hey, boy! Hey, boy!
Money.
Where that share money for? Where that share money for? Where that share money for?
Hold on, what?
Yo, say $200.
Mash up in 200 today, no.
No, I them a lady.
Mash up in
No,
200.
hold on, man.
I see you.
Miss.
What happened?
Let me explain to you now. I don't know real money, man.
Hey, me no real money.
You see that real money and the money look so crisp.
No,
And smell good.
Remember say we can have fraudulent money so your money can fake you know.
Listen to me.
Yeah, but will listen, come, talk fast. Lick you in your face.
No, just tell me. I said, please. Miss, I don't know, real money. Me, I want type of man. Me, no think I hear about David. You said that real money, be 100 and something.
Hey, awa.
Hold on.
What the foolish is that boy
I
chat
said big up money man. That's what me left.
Urban expense. Urban
You
expense.
Not mad.
No, you say in a real life. I be a fake money. Me have. I saw
Some boy, woman.
I saw me tricky girl them. I saw me trick them and get them and something. So, it just so happen.
You know about the money.
Hold on now.
Where trick we and take we money and try go dash you.
No.
Boy, no trick we and take we money and try go dash you.
No.
Hey, boy.
Why my rock? Just see the boy run guard.
Yo, we not even care nothing for butter booze and boy, I forget mash up in all that.
Me tired.
Yo, come and go see if we can look it.
Yeah, come look in there,
Put that
boy.
so leafy boy dash you. You want to take that boy and take the money and feed it down in our home. That boy has got things to take us. Wow, Jessica.
Wait, you see?
Go on.
You
That real money boy take turn.
want to kill him? Come on.
I'm mash up it.
I wonder if David alright now. Wonder if he okay. Oh, I could wife, girl, where I go.
Jesus, peace. Pull it, girl. Kayla. Hey, what's the job one come like he set me up?
Yeah, boy, come up here, him and two girls. I saw them drape him up a hall, him a come up here. I look for you know. I have to look up in this come here and say, look who say they want to beat me.
Kayla, a while ago me said make me go down a salad hole go dash for money. The money. Said time as me fling me here now. By the time me look a job one and two man me see. So me I go in a shade to see if I chat them want chat to me. Just feel myself get draped up. Poof paf pef. Me don't even know what I go on. I be like me feel myself again.
You can't say me name want you. All along me there, me I want you. And me have one of me, you know the greatest thing? Say no party, no but they just beat up you. That's all. I know the next greatest thing too. I know pour lock up you.
No, but then shouldn't do that. Me tell them say money fake.
Eh? Me tell you leave the money alone. Leave it alone with them. Me tell you how long say dash away and no go back to it.
Yeah.
You run go back, you know what? And then me there so now, y'all know things say me there in a business want come and war me if you lock up in your house. But guess what? See me and feel friendship down here so.
Oh, me I feel friendship though.
Cause girl nearly war me after me I want you how long.
Girl nearly war you. Girl war me.
Me not busy about that. Me that one how long. Me just thank God say nothing not too dramatic not happen to you. You know, damage or nothing. You're alright. You look healthy. You shut off your mouth now. You're lucky. Me friendship done.
Boy, Chelsea and Jessica can't have you no one. No friend from them people in the youth. Them a good friend come and deed man. And Chelsea and Jessica come and beat man youth. And the one Davy. You me no want no friend from them again youth.